Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you another way to get Microsoft Office for free. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that I've already uploaded 2 videos on this topic. One video explains how to activate Office, and the other shows you how to install Office pre-activated for free. I'll link them in the description below. Today, I'm sharing a third method that's super easy to start with. But before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Let's get into it. First, visit this website. You'll find the link in the description below, then click Sign In. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click Create one. Click Get a new email address. Now, type in your new email address. Make sure to remember it. You'll need it whenever you try to sign in. Then click Next. Set your password. Make sure it's strong by combining characters and numbers. Then click Next. Set your birthday. Choose your month, day, and year. You can also change your country from here if you like. Then hit Next. Now click Next, and prove you're not a robot. This part can be a bit tricky. You'll need to position each sign with the number on your left for 5 times. Once you do this, click Submit. Scroll down and click OK. And that's it. Now you have Microsoft 365 all in one place for free. Enjoy all the amazing features it offers and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this.